You see, Asha Tai, forget about today's performance and all that. There are some godly figures. मतलब legendary एक होता है. Then ये ना godly figures.
Yeah.
In your case, the moment you were born, you knew how great she was. You know, because
I had no clue.
till when?
I didn't know till I was at least 13.
What?
I had no clue. They didn't even tell me that she would do shows. I always thought that she was just a grandma. And she,
Really?
Yeah.
जो ऐसी गुनगुना देती है कभी
No, गुनगुनाना तो दूर है.
जिसको बाहर से लोग आके बोलते हैं ऐसे इनको देख ले मैम.
मतलब at home she was more of a cook for us. Like she would cook a lot of food. Like Dadi makes the best khana. We did not know that Dadi was such a big singer.
हाँ, because आपकी दादी 70s में ही थी जब आप 13 साल के थे.
Exactly.
तो ऐसे यंग नहीं थी वो.
हो freedom garage.
यार मुझे ऐसा एक सपना आया था एक टाइम पे कि मैं ना सेकंड थर्ड जनरेशन के लोगों से मिलना शुरू कर लूंगा. और ऐसे बुढ़ापे की बात नहीं है, बट आई गेस व्हेन यू स्पेंड सो मच टाइम यू एक्चुअली एंड अप फीलिंग दिस. और आज मुझे ऐसे वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. लेकिन जिस घराने से दोनों आ रहे हैं ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे रोहन गावस्कर, जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन के बेटे अभिषेक ने फेस किया था ना, दे विल ऑलवेज फेस दोज क्वेश्चंस. क्योंकि भाई इनके तो जो फैमिली मेंबर्स है अभी तक परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. जने एंड सिद्धांत, थैंक्स सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी.
Thank you so much for having
Thank
us.
you for having us.
And then if I add the surnames, it changes the game. But before we come to that, जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये जन जन्मांतर से देखते आए हैं, ठीक है. बेचारा अर्जुन तेंदुलकर हमारे लिए, उससे पहले रोहन गावस्कर, अभिषेक बच्चन, forever one of the best actors that we had. लेकिन आप, it's not like you are the son of somebody जो बहुत बड़े थे, but you are the son of someone जो अभी तक परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, जो अभी तक एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, अभी तक वो कर रहे हैं. So now when we come to you, आप लोग जनरेशन एक बाद है. In your case, and you're 2 generations बाद. तो यहाँ is there a thought that I should have done something else? जैसे मुझे याद है अर्जुन ने बोला भाई हमें, एंड सचिन सर ने ये बोला था कि तुम लेफ्ट हैंडर बनोगे, तुम राइट हैंडर नहीं बनोगे, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो भाई खत्म ही है, और तुम बॉलर बन जाओ तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है. So did you ever think of this? By the way, सुदेश भोसले, याद आया? आशा ताई, यस. जनाय का सरनेम भोसले है और इनका सरनेम
भोसले.
Yes. तो जरा बताएं. Now tell me, when you have this legacy in the house, तो यार डर लगता है क्या कि नाम खराब कर देंगे?
I think डर तो नहीं लगता है in terms of like, you know, I think both of us are extremely lucky. I can say from my perspective, ऐसे माहौल में बड़े होने से you are just exposed to so much of amazing music, learning, that process of seeing, like for me, at home, 24/7, my dad was Kishore Kumar fan, Mohammad Rafi ji ke fan, hey, ho, all the time. Or at the
Listen,
same...
I want to ask you, was your father always so melodious? जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना बचपन में थोड़ा-थोड़ा करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर और बेटर हो जाते हैं.
So, his story is also very funny because till 21, 22, he was an amazing fine artist.
Yeah.
He used to make portraits and paintings and उन्हें लगा था कि मैं painting ही करने वाला हूँ. अचानक से college में he started mimicking अमित जी की voice. So his mimicry and then stage and orchestra, that's what was his journey, then leading to playback, and then he met Asha ji, and that's another whole story. But I think for me, it was this amazing musical household because घर पे just as musicians, my mom plays the Western classical piano. तो ABBA, Beatles, Michael Jackson के references वहाँ से मैं आ रहे थे. My grandmom is also a Hindustani classical trained singer. तो उन्होंने मुझे हारमोनियम के पास बैठ के पहला सा रेग उन्होंने सिखाया था. तो growing up, I literally didn't know anything else apart from music. I was like, I'm singing. My nana is a guitarist, so I started learning guitar in school. I heard John Mayer's album Continuum. I was blown away. I was like, what is this? Just that kind of musical exposure, I think, honestly, that's the only thing I've always known and I've always loved.
तो by default ही आप सीखना तो शुरू करते थे, but you get better at it. But I think जरा the pressure on you is थोड़ा little different.
For sure.
That you are in the Abhishek Bachchan wala and Rohan Gavaskar wala, because you see Asha Tai, forget about today's performance and all that. There are some godly figures. मतलब legendary एक होता है, then ये ना godly figures हो जाते हैं. You know, so there I think, and I know she'll say कि अगर ये अच्छा है ये बुरा है, तुमने अच्छा किया है नहीं किया है. Is she like that with you?
She's very honest. She's very honest, but also she's very bindas. So her thing is that ever since I've grown up, she's never really put me in a box and said, this is what you can and what you can't do. She said, तुम्हें जैसे लगता है, जैसे तुम्हें सही लगता है, वैसे तुम गाओ. If you think you want to be a singer, you become a singer. If you think you want to do this, you do this. I've never been restricted to a certain field. And especially with her, the best thing is that she's always been my friend. She's never put additional pressure on me. Only time she puts additional pressure is before the show. Because she's like, if you go off here, then this is a problem. Then this is a problem.
हाँ मैं एक बात बताता हूँ ये गुस्ताखी की और ये पता नहीं अलग लेवल टू शी संग ड्यूएट्स विद आशा ताई ऑन स्टेज इन शोज. अभी सोचो आपके साथ में मतलब नोट्स के लिए हम लोग कंप्यूटर को चेक करते हैं लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आशा ताई है ना तो वही बताई कि नोट गलत है या सही है.
ये बड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि जब मैं स्टेज पे जाती थी तो पहले मैं उनसे कहती थी कि आप मेरे साथ ही रहो, आप बस सुनते जाओ कि मैं क्या गा रही हूँ. एंड देन देयर केम अ पॉइंट वेयर आफ्टर माय 5th or 6th शो आई फाइनली सेड, आई लुक्ड एट हर एंड आई सेड ठीक है, मतलब आप अगर चाहे तो आप अंदर जा सकते हो. Because it became double pressure for me. I was like, wait, I think I've messed up here. I shouldn't have asked her to stay. She is auto-tune herself. So I was like, if auto-tune is next to me, I'm getting more pressurized. So I was like, okay, you can go inside now. And she was, I think for her, that was the biggest moment. She was so happy that she could just sit back and just watch me chill and like sing. She was chilling. So that, I think, she's very good at encouraging you. She's
You
never
say
put me down.
she's like a friend of yours.
Yeah.
In your case, the moment you were born, you knew how great she was, you know, because
I had no clue.
till when?
I didn't know till I was at least 13.
What?
I had no clue. They didn't even tell me that she would do shows. I always thought that she was just a grandma. And she,
Really?
Yeah.
जो ऐसी गुनगुना देती है कभी
No, गुनगुनाना तो दूर है. She
जिसको
was,
बाहर से लोग आके बोलते हैं ऐसे इनको देख ले मैम.
मतलब at home she was more of a cook for us. Like she would cook a lot of food. Like Dadi makes the best khana. We did not know that Dadi was such a big singer.
हाँ बिकॉज आपकी दादी 70s में ही थी जब आप 13 साल के थे.
Exactly.
तो ऐसे यंग नहीं थी वो.
No, and not only that, but she would just full on lie to us and say what she's doing. Like, okay, so one day I remember, वो बाहर जा रही थी शो के लिए. And I was like, Ashai, why are you going out? Like, you know, वो मतलब हम आपको मिस करते हैं रात को. नहीं कुछ नहीं बेटा, मैं बस थोड़ा सा काम है निपटा के आ रही हूँ. वो 12 बजे रात के. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि अभी 9 बजे क्यों जा रही है, 12 बजे वापस आएंगी. कौन सा काम है ये. So she was like, नहीं, बस I'm seeing your aunt because our aunt used to stay away from us. Okay. So that was a perpetual excuse to leave the house.
बड़ी
Show
close
करके
है
she
आपकी
would-
आंटी आपसे.
she would come back home and I was like, cool. And I used to miss her a lot. So one day when I was, I think 12 or 13, I finally like asked her. I said like, you know, like, what on earth, like, are you going? Why are you leaving the house at like 9 p.m. and coming back at 1 a.m.? Like, what is this work you have? Like, she's my dadi, bro. Like, what are you doing?
सीरियल किलर है रात को 9
Yeah,
बजे.
serial killer. I was like कि कुछ तो होगा. That's when she was like मैं मतलब shows करती हूँ this that, and I was like, oh okay, like cool. Actually, this wasn't 10, 12. I'm getting my timeline wrong. 2000, I was trying to figure it out. I was 7 years old. This is when she would do this. When I was 10, I stepped on stage with her for the first time. So when I stepped on stage, I was like, these are the shows. It connected in my brain. Like, this is what's happening.
But did you realize how big she was then when you were on stage?
I still didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
I still didn't. Until I was I was much older when I realized. Because maturity नहीं होती है बच्चों को उस time पे.
No, I think ये बहुत अच्छी बात भी है. I mean, you know how talented your father is also, you know, and how your dadis and the whole family is. But I think वो जो public fame होता है ना, वो बहुत एक अलग चीज होती है. So when did you realize that, you know, my father is very popular with people? लोग autograph लेते हैं. आज तो खैर selfie, लेकिन autograph का जमाना ये सब. When does that realization come in? क्योंकि जब वो hit करता है ना कई बार, यहाँ पे फर्क होता है स्पोर्ट्समैन के बेटे का, कि उसको तो पहले ही रिकॉर्ड्स पता होते हैं. You know, यहाँ पे it could be slightly different with you. Did you realize that the enormity of who he is?
I think like on stage again, that is his home turf.
Yeah.
And I've also seen him sitting backstage, just observing, learning as much as I can, because I feel he is one person who just controls the entire crowd and has them in his palms. And as an entertainer and as a performer, it's like such a big thing to just watch and learn. And I feel like along the way, like my first show was with my dad. In one of his shows, I sang with my sister Musu Musu Hasi when I was 5 years old.
Wow.
In Fiji Islands. So just like kind
अच्छा,
of
just ऐसे by the way, Fiji Islands, हाँ. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे कोलाबा में गा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे दादर में गा रहे हैं.
No, this happened to me also. They would
International.
make me sing. No, not international. I can't remember. But they would make me and my brother, who's very shy. My brother has no clue what's going on. Like, he basically like is barely here and he doesn't know anything about anyone.
Yeah.
So my grandmom would literally put us on stage when we were like 6 or 7 and make us sing. I'm trying to recall what it was, but it was a mantra. Like, it wasn't even a song. And two of us would just go and stand on stage and be like, Om Bhur Bhuvasva. And we just didn't know what was going on. And we would run out. Like, I would run from this wing, he would run from
Same.
this wing.
Yeah, because I think like I've spoken to so many friends. Everyone's like, someone's coming home, Gana ga ke suna. You're going somewhere, Gana ga ke
We
suna.
were live performers when
of
we were
course.
like tiny
बेटा
kids.
कुछ करके दिखाओ.
कुछ करके
happens with
दिखाओ means
everyone, right?
I was a dancer also. So I wasn't just told to sing. I was like, it's my birthright apparently to start dancing for whoever comes
बस
home.
शादी.com नहीं चल रहा था तुम्हारा, बाकी सब हो जाता. चाय लेके आती तो शादी.com शुरू हो जाता. We'll chat more with these two very very talented second generation musicians. Let's just put it this way. जब आप एक घराने से आते हो ना, आपको realize होता है कि यार there is a certain stature that the house has. घराना क्या होता है, आपके फादर गा रहे हैं, जैसे कि सिद्धांत ने बोला, तो भाई उनकी पूरी फैमिली इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. जनय ऑल्सो पूरी फैमिली इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. और आपकी जब यार आप ऑब्वियसली जब आशा भोसले जी आपकी फैमिली के अंदर हो जाती है, then the pressure is a lot more. And I don't think they're showing that pressure. I think her voice is wonderful. And मैंने खुद बोला कि मेरे को तो रियलाइज ही नहीं हुआ कि इतना मचोर आवाज है आपकी. हंसी मजाक जो हमारे बातों के बीच में होता है ना, काश मैं कभी एक दिन BTS निकाल दूं. कभी निकाल नहीं सकता हूं. मैं खुद ही जो इस इंडस्ट्री में आधा पैर बाहर लेके बैठा हूं ना, पूरे दोनों पैर बाहर चले जाएंगे मेरे. आई थिंक दिस मोस्ट वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो फॉर द फैमिलीज टू सी मेरा बेटा सिद्धांत आके गाना गा रहा है, मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर आके प्रोफेशनली गाना गा रही है, साथ में इनका भी रेडियो पर चलेगा जब मेरे भी चल रहे हैं. तो इससे बड़ी प्राउड फीलिंग मेरे ख्याल से फैमिलीज के लिए हो नहीं सकती है. बट ये जो गाना आप लोगों ने बनाया है, द टू ऑफ यू, देयर इज एन अमेजिंग स्टोरी आल्सो, वी टॉक अबाउट दैट. But live in the studio with the guitar, let's have it. And also just tell us a little bit about the song. कैसे हुआ ये combination तुम दोनों का?
So actually, I've been putting out some of my music independently since 2020 for the past 4 years.
Okay.
We've known each other just growing up,
Yeah.
like
But more in the last 3-4 years.
yeah, for sure. And then I've always shared my music with Zanai. She
I'm a big fan of his music. Like, I keep listening to it, like Fizul, Tu Hi Bata. I have it on my, things. I was like, listen, bro, like, why are we not working together? That was kind of the question.
So you write also?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
wow.
compose and I
Superb.
like
नहीं, composition
production.
तो बहुत लोग करते हैं.
Yeah.
लेकिन लिरिक्स लिखना ये
Yeah.
सब बड़ा मुश्किल होता है.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we got Candy the hook line before we got anything else in it, right? So originally only we came. up
Yeah,
with
and
that.
then like just the process together. I think this was like the first time I feel Zanai was also working on like an original composition and
Yeah,
just
yeah.
for both of us in the studio to kind of get on the same page sonically. We love
हाँ, but
certain
कैसा लगा
artists.
जैसे when you heard each other for the first time together? Strange?
Yeah, actually it worked. Like, I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but because we have like similar preferences,
Right.
that made sense to us quite a lot. It's not like he was talking A and I was talking Z. We
Correct.
were pretty
Yeah.
much on like
I
the
think that's
same
आप
more
उसका
important.
म्यूजिक सुन भी रहे हो ना? I
बहुत-
think उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
वही तो
Yeah.
फर्क- yeah.
This comes out and the two of you, the first time you heard the final mix होता है ना?
हाँ.
Was there like a little flutter?
That first year back when the master comes from the engineer and when it's on that first platform 12 baje, that's unreal. I feel just once it's out, something that you've made, something you've created, just as an artist and just as creators, I don't think there's any other
I don't think there's a bigger
feeling,
like
yeah.
joy than like seeing that thing out there, because we put in quite a lot of effort into it. Initially, it was, we made the track, like Candy Hair was there, it was made. But then to get the writer on board and to figure that stuff and make it into like the final product, that was like, when it happened, it was unreal. Like, I remember my dad just sitting in the car listening to it for like hours and saying, when I get bored of this, I'll let you know. And then he called me the next day at like 10 in the morning and he was like, I listened to it for like 2 hours and I didn't get bored of it. So for me, that was a moment that was like, okay, cool. Like, I've entertained you for like 2 hours without even knowing it. And then when it got
Actually,
on,
आप लोग की फैमिली स्क्रीनिंग बड़ी नर्वस वाली स्क्रीनिंग होगी यार सबको.
no,
Yeah.
no, they're highly
It is.
critical people, like genuinely highly
Same.
critical. They do not say like they like it easily. They won't even say they like it. It's not even like, oh, like you've done a great job, fantastic. Nothing. It's just, it's okay. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
Like-
okay, that means good for me.
Abhi bhi, for my dad, like every song I play to him, I know that I'm going to get the most honest like
Yeah.
feedback from him.
Yeah.
He is extremely particular about pronunciation, which we all should
बिल्कुल
be.
सही, बिल्कुल सही.
And
Same
coming
with
from that
my
same school of
grandmom.
thought, right? And today we are like speaking so many different languages, English, Hindi, everything, right?
Clarity, it's very
So
important.
yeah, so
for
I
them.
think they're just so
we
brutal.
get hammered if we don't.
और होना भी चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती है, लेकिन there's an amazing story I want to tell you guys जो ये खुद बताएंगे कैसे इनके पिताजी ने अपना पहला गाना आशा ताई के साथ किया प्रोफेशनल, और जने इज नाउ परफॉर्मिंग विद सिद्धांत, which is crazy. तो ये फैमिली में जहां ग्रो अप हो जाते हैं, एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग प्रोफेशनल वर्ड्स भी अब मिल चुके हैं. दोनों का सरनेम भोसले हैं. आशा ताई की ग्रैंड डॉटर विद अस टुडे जने, एंड मेकिंग अ I would say radio debut today, so congratulations, welcome.
Thank you.
Siddhant, have you come on radio before?
Yeah, I've come a couple of times, but this is the first time
First
with you.
time meeting with me over
So
here.
this is-
Sudesh ji ke bete yahan pe, brother, so happy to have you in
So
the
this
studio
is
with us.
RJ Salil debut.
Yes. So actually, a lot of, I go back to the days where a lot of second generations also, even Arman and all, their very first day of interviews were here. And how did we find out? These Facebook flashbacks keep coming, right? And these Facebook memories are going to come over a period of time also. But you have an amazing story of how your father had his professional break with Asha Tai. And now the both of you are also together. Tell me that story.
Yeah, so he started off singing in this orchestra from Pune called Melody Makers. He was on stage. Asha ji was in the audience in one of his performances.
Acha.
She saw her for the first time on stage and contacted the owner of the orchestra being like, कौन है ये लड़का? मुझे उसको मिलना है. And
This
in
was when?
his,
This was in what year?
I feel like
70s?
75, 80,
Okay.
1975, 80, around that time.
Acha.
And she was like, so his career completely changed because she met him,
course,
took him to R.D. Burman that following week. And then that first week, he was like, passport kahan pe? Passport leke aao. And they were on tour, like he was flying with R.D. Burman, Asha ji, and for their shows abroad. So it kind of really switched from the orchestra world into more of like the mainstream or the playback
you know,
recording world.
Asha Tai actually, because of her world tours, changes a lot. Javed Ali is my neighbor. Okay, so I've known him for a long time, and one day he'd come back from the world
Yeah.
tour with her only, and he said, "भाई ना मेरे को समझ में आ गया, थोड़ा सा ना मेरे को presentation में थोड़ा खेलना पड़ेगा. आवाज तो he's a brilliant singer, but he was not a very outgoing person." He said, जिस तरह shows में होता है, जिस तरह बाहर होता है, and you know he changed his appearances also. I guess she's a great mentor to tell you how to do these things also.
Of
कैसे वो
course.
करना होता है.
Of
And now the
course.
two of you, this has happened now. So were there also nostalgia at home also saying, अरे यार तुम दोनों भी start कर रहे हो ऐसे?
I didn't tell anyone at home. I was like, let the song, let it be made before I already put pressure that we're doing it together, then finished. Like, then already expectation hai uska.
Yeah, and it literally started with us just coming and jamming and being like,
Sure.
okay, let's just try to make something. Let's see where it goes. If we like it, if you like it,
We'll
if
keep
it's
it.
working, then we'll
तब
put
जाके
it out.
फाइन. और बताया भी फिर सीधा सलमान खान को. सलमान खान ने जब गाना, मतलब तुम्हारे गाने के पहले 5,000 कमेंट जो है भाई, सलमान भाई होगा तो अच्छा ही हुआ. सलमान भाई, सलमान भाई, सलमान भाई. But that's a great marketing way also, and I think he's wonderful at that. He just knows how he can promote it. How did that happen?
I still don't know how that happened. I'm just actually, I was really shocked when shocked like next level, because I think I just saw it on my phone and I was like, did this just happen right now? Like I'm so happy that like he liked it, you know. So I was really happy.
So
about
you know now if he likes it, then what happens? अभी 4 फिल्में आ रही हैं. So yeah, but that's how it works. And I think he's one of the people who don't understand how much of a risk he takes on a number of things. बहुत सारी चीजों पर वो risk लेते हैं. कहता है कि if I can't take the risk, like how Shahrukh sir also said,
Yeah.
if they can't take the risk, then who will take the risk? So yeah, so we maybe the start of many things. Are you prepared for that?
Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. I think I'm prepared.
I think you should do a film with him as an actress and a singer.
Come
Do it. अभी
That'd
advance
be
में बता रहे हो.
great.
What a wonderful vibe the two of you both have. Good luck. This is the first of many. और
You
इतनी
should
जो
have seen me jamming to this.
history, civic, geography ये इतनी तुम्हारी family में है. Now you need to hit it out of the park, yeah, both of you all. Good luck.
Come on.
Bye.
Thank you so
Go,
much for
thank
having us.
you.
See you soon.
Radio City.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी